My wife is always going to ask. Whenever I meet my uncle, there are some elders are there who are at too good position. Whenever I meet them, I will come to the ground level as much as possible. I will come to the ground level by keeping them at the very top place. My wife is always asking, why you are going that much down while talking with them? Why you are going that much down while talking with them? Hurry, when compared with them also, you are at too good position, but still, my wife questioned that multiple times because I want to give the importance for that person because I read this book 100 times, right? Get the point. So,
Yeah.
treat the opposite person as the most important person, then your life is going to be changed, man. Because in our life, anything is happened because of some people only. Okay, we are staying in the society. Every minute, the people, we require to work with the people. If we start giving importance with the people, if we start giving appreciation, if we start giving recognition for the people, yeah, everything is going to become very smooth. Remember, the biggest secret, man, the big secret of dealing with the people. Appreciation, appreciation, appreciation. At least one person, whoever you are going to meet, start giving importance. Okay, don't ignore. If you are going to ignore, then it will be the bigger problem. Start giving importance. That thing must be required because even the person in the office boy, watchman also, he has his own ego. He's eagerly waiting for appreciation. No person in the world exceptional for this.